And I want to give you an example how perhaps representing yourself in court could lead to disastrous consequences. So last year, I had some prospective client reach out to me that he wanted me to represent him in a case. I get calls periodically for people wanting to take over a case, represent a case. And so this was a combination of a breach of contract claim as well as a enforcement of a temporary injunction as well. So it was a fairly complex case. So I began to look at the case. And one of the things that I realized is that the individual representing himself, first he had an attorney, and then the attorney withdrew for whatever reason. And then the client, instead of retaining a new attorney, decided to take it upon himself to represent himself in the case. More specifically, this is a software company, so the employee is very expert in his field. The client's a very expert in his field, prospective client, and he negotiated the sale of his wife's company in exchange for some percentage of interest in this new other company, while at the same time, he also became an employee of this company as well and signed a non-compete agreement that, from what I looked at, was very broad. So things didn't go the way I planned, like many of these cases go. And he ended up being sued for a breach of the non-compete agreement. He also was being sued for not fulfilling the obligation of the transfer of the assets of his wife's company. And it just became a very, very difficult case for him.